We'll see some wintry precip starting on your Tuesday. Some light rainfall tonight associated with a cold air wedge that's going to be developing with winds out of the northeast here at the surface. Winds about 5,000 feet off the ground, giving some moisture from the southwest will give us those clouds today. And a cold front will pass before that with a little bit more cooler air. So here right now we see 40 degrees at Columbia Metro, 37 in Sumter. We expect the mid to upper 50s for our daytime highs today. And then we get to our winter storm. A winter storm watch already in effect Tuesday, 7 p.m. through Thursday at 10 a.m. from the National Weather Service. Everyone here in our viewing area is under that winter storm watch that goes in effect on Tuesday. Ice is the big story with this. Unfortunately, that causes more travel problems and power issues for us here in the Midlands. But you see, we're going to be locked into the clouds for the next couple of days, and then we'll increase that chance of freezing rain, sleet, ice, and even some snow. But the bigger story will be the ice accumulation here in the Midlands. Here's our future watch going throughout the day. It doesn't pick up on that light rain. It's kind of too fine for the model to pick it up here. But we could see that maybe some mixed precip in the northern Midlands, but we don't expect significant accumulations from that overnight tonight. Through your Tuesday, we'll expect to see some of that winter weather move in as an area of low pressure starts to develop in the Gulf of Mexico before riding up along the South Carolina coast, giving us that moisture source that we need. And so temperatures will be in the low to mid 30s here, and we'll see freezing rain, an area of warmer temperatures about 5,000 feet off the ground. Depending on how thick that is, depends on how the precip type that we get, whether it's rain, freezing rain, sleet, or snow. And so we think it's going to be freezing rain for the most part here along the central Midlands, rain and freezing rain in the southern Midlands here. And so that's what we're expecting. And the snowfall, well, it's not going to be that big of a deal. Maybe 2 to 4 inches, though, in the northern Midlands. That's our highest confidence forecast as it stands right now with the model data. Maybe a little bit of a dusting to maybe an inch or inch and a half across Columbia. But then we get our ice totals here along the I-20 corridor. A half inch to 3/4 of an inch of ice is what's expected as we forecast it right now. That number could go up, but we are forecasting a half inch to 3/4 of an inch. And this is a map I want to show you. This is from the Weather Prediction Center, a division of NOAA. And this is the 48-hour probability of freezing rain accumulating greater than 1 inch. You see right here this blue, this is percentages. This is about a 50% chance over parts of Columbia down towards Aiken, and then there's a little spot right there near Lexington, just east of Lexington near Batesburg, of maybe even a 70% chance of an inch of freezing rain. So our forecast is below that right now, but it could go up to that. And as we go throughout the day and get those model runs in. 56 is 3 o'clock is what we expect, 55 by 5 p.m. Here's our 7-day planner basically spelling out starting as rain possibly on Tuesday, changing over to the mixed precip and freezing rain on Wednesday, and then ending by Thursday morning, mid 50s by Friday, upper 50s by Saturday, and lower 60s on Sunday.